telling you is that you get 1 wig, but you also get 4 wigs. Okay? You don't get 1, you getting 4 wigs in 1 wig. I kid you not, girl.
Ooh, yeah, baby. No. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. You feel alive when you don't call when you supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to. Knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our minds. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. Do, 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 do. else, play it safe just for a while. Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusing? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. I ain't gonna even lie, sis. I ain't gonna even lie, sis. Y'all, like we don't even have to do this in our regular format, okay? Let me just say it's all pros. Okay, girl, it's all pros, ain't no cons, ain't none of that with this unit, okay, girl? None of that. I see. Y'all, I'm not gonna yah. I'm not gonna yah. Girl, when I got this unit, I was so excited, and I was excited for multiple reasons. Let me tell you one of the reasons I was personally excited. I was personally excited to receive this unit because Cynthia, girl, you had already, that's the same day. Cynthia, girl, vouch in the comments so I can pin it, sis. The same day, Cynthia sent me a TikTok. Okay, she sent me a TikTok of this unit, and she was like, girl, have you seen this? And I'm like, no, but actually I'm supposed to get a wig from them today, honey. She was like, well, you need to tell them to send you this right here. Girl, the wig came, and I couldn't help but go ahead and take a peek, honey. I couldn't do nothing but go ahead and take a peek, honey. And when I opened our girl up, it was that wig. It was that wig. Cynthia, I'm gonna go ahead and text you, girl, and ask you if you don't mind me putting our text in here in this video, because what are the odds? I'm telling y'all, August is my year, girl. Baby, August ain't no year. August is okay, it ain't no year, it's a month. Because when I say I was that excited, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know. This video is not gonna be in my normal format because I cannot do the video in my regular format because, honey, ain't no cons. What do I recommend?
Okay, get your little John on.
So ain't no need of me even doing all that. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the full 360 and all those good things, but honey, ain't no need in doing all the other stuff because this right here, I am shooketh. Okay, girl, I am shooketh. I don't know how they thought of this, and just like the girl in the TikTok video that Cynthia sent me, when this wig comes out, because as far as I know right now, oh girl is not out, but when this wig come out, girl, sprint. That's what the girl said in the TikTok. Okay, sprint, girl, sprint and get this wig, because you will not be disappointed. Okay, she had a different texture than me, honey. I'm rocking the Kinky Curly, and I do want to go ahead and say that this Kinky Curly is the very manageable Kinky Curly. You know, some Kinky Curly be good. Okay, and it gets a little hard and all that stuff. But this unit, this is the more manageable kinky curly. I'm gonna say this is giving like 4A type of kinky curly. Okay, it ain't 4C. So, but yeah, no shedding, no tangling, big head friendly, blah 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 blah. We ain't studying none of that. So, this unit is called the ISEE Block Wig. It's called a builder block. Okay, it's like them blocks that we did when we were little. Them blocks, we know you when we would build something. Child, my babies did it. You know them builder blocks. This is a builder block wig. This is a builder block wig, girl. Okay, so it says builder wig with block R and B. R is for replace, meaning you can replace all of these. All of these, girl. Okay, it says replace damaged lace, replace different color, replace different length, and replace different lace size, honey. Okay, and the B is for bass. It's all about that bass, no treble. Okay, base of block, one block B can match all block R. Also have different options for color, length, and density, honey. What they telling you is that you get one wig, but you also get 4 wigs. Okay, you don't get one, you getting 4 wigs in one wig. I kid you not, girl. You saw the bit, girl. Did you not see the intro? You are getting 4 wigs in one wig. And then if you want to, like if the lace, you know how to lace, you know how lace do, girl. You can just switch that thing out. You can just order a replace. I am mind blown at this concept, y'all. Okay, I am tripping out. When Cynthia sent me the video, I was like, girl, they better send me this wig. They better. I want this wig in kinky, I want it in curly, I want it in wavy, I want it in straight, I want it in body wave. I want all the flavors of this wig, and I feel like this is the only wig I will ever need for the rest of my life. I see. What? Whoever created this needs a raise. Give him, her, she, whatever, give them a raise. They need a raise right now. Give them a raise. Okay, so it says break wig into blocks, damaged lace easily replaced, break lace limitations, one for all occasions. No more 9x6 or 13x6 or half wig, which I did not do. We're gonna get into that. I didn't do the half wig, but girl, they offer half wig too. They offer half wig too. Okay, and then or bangs, and then it says build, not only renew but also creative. Hair is an expression of personality. Build your own wig, be your own hairstylist. One wig, multiple possibilities. Child, I was gonna say multiple personalities because honey, I got a lot of them. Okay, I'm a Virgo, I got a lot of them. It says basic needs is always beauty, natural comfort. The key to wearing block wearable is the connection. Secure, soft, seamless. We address all your concerns. And baby, they addressed all my concerns. Did they address yours? Did they address yours? Because they addressed all my concerns. Now, I did not do the half wig. Honey, I've been shaving my head for a minute now. I've been saying I'm gonna grow my hair out. I've just been lazy. My hair is just like, it's a lot of work. But I've been saying I'm gonna really grow my hair out, honey, and do right. I've been just shaving. Every time it grow a little bit, I'd be like, let me cut it off and shave it. I'm gonna grow my hair out. But right now, honey, I'm not trying to be on this camera bald head looking crazy and trying to do half wigs and my forehead all the way back. I ain't trying to do that, okay? I ain't trying to do all that, but I do want you guys to know that they do offer a half wig. Okay, so I'll insert it somewhere, or you guys seen it at the beginning. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video, girl, because I'm too crunk. I'm too crunk. Okay, so I don't know, but yeah. They offer, you get a half wig, you get a bang wig, you get a 9x6 closure wig, and you get a 13x6 frontal. Girl, where they do that at? Where they do, I need this wig in every texture. I see, I'm your girl. We here. Send me this wig. I need this wig in everything. Okay, everything you got, just send it to me. Send it to she, and she will do it just right. Okay, because y'all did y'all big one. Y'all did y'all big one. Round of applause for ISEEHAIR. Okay, I don't know what type of review I done did. I am too hyped. I'm gonna go ahead and say, honey, old girl was tweezed to perfection. Okay, that lace is melting. Okay, this one is the closure. I decided to end with the closure. I do have to go to another job tonight, girl, and I live for a closure. I'm a closure sort of girl. Okay, I know everybody's not a closure girl, but I'm a closure girl. I decided to throw on the closure as the last one because I want to wear it. And honey, look at this. Oh, girl, look at this part. Girl, no issues with this unit whatsoever. I have nothing else to say. I have nothing else to say. Girl, get this wig. When she comes out, I don't know when she'll be out. I don't know none of that stuff. Look in the description box. If they give me the information, it's going to be down there in the description box. Girl, cop this wig. I don't think you will be disappointed at all. If you are, it may be something wrong with you, girl. You may not be a wig girly. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's all. I do also see, and I have noted that they have on here with the replace, you can change the color. I didn't get a different color, but I'm sure that's coming. Y'all, can y'all email me a different color? I see. Email your girl a different color. Your girl wants a different color. Email me a different color. All right, I'm done now. I'm officially done. I'm done. Now, normally I would say if you are interested in purchasing this wig, child, click down below in the description box for your convenience, but I don't know if old girl gonna be down there or not. Okay? I don't know if old girl gonna be down there or not, but if she is, honey, check down there. Y'all cop this wig. I don't think y'all will be disappointed whatsoever. Like, honey, I have been shooketh since yesterday. I got up early, okay, because I wanted to get started early on old girl. That's how excited I was for this unit, and that's saying something because I haven't really been excited about wigs in a minute. So thank you for that, ISEEHAIR. Thank you for that. Y'all definitely did your big one. And yeah, y'all, yeah. That's all I got, y'all. I just feel like I just got on this camera and ran it in the best way possible. Cop this wig, okay? Anyways, y'all, so yeah. That's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love complete.